Hello student, I am Mr. Praveen Kute. Today we are going to study the chapter number 11 science chapter number 8 sound, fourth lecture on the point that is quality of sound, audible sound or human response to sound. Whatever we talk about audible sounds, what matters is how we perceive it. This is a purely subjective attribute of sound waves. Today we are going to study the major qualities of sound that are there are three qualities. First one is pitch, second one timbre or quality, and third one is loudness. Now we study the first quality, that is the pitch. What is pitch? This is the aspect reference to sharpness or shrillness of the sound. It relates to the sharpness or shrillness of the sound. If the frequency of sound is increased, what we perceive is the increase in the pitch, or we feel the sound is sharper. Second one is the tone, refer to the single frequency of the wave. What is tone? Tone is the single frequency of wave. While the note may contain one or more than one tones, when just seen the difference between tone and note. Tone is related to the single frequency, whereas note related to one or more than one tones. Okay, if we use the word high pitch or high tone, the frequency is higher, as the sharpness is subjective term. Sentence like just for example, given one sentence in a book, that is the sound of double frequency doubly sharp. Make no sense. Also, a high pitch sound need not be a louder. Tones of guitar are sharper than the bass guitar. Examples. Okay, this is one of the example. Tone of guitar are sharper than the bass guitar. Second example, sound of tabla is sharper than that of dagga. Third example, female sound is more sharper than the male sound. Okay, these are the examples which give the sharpness of the sound, or which refers the sharpness or shrillness of the sound. Okay, that means all these examples relate to the pitch. Now, in musical system we use the treble and bass buttons. Okay, for the sound amplifier, when we raise the treble knob, high frequencies are boosted. If we raise the bass button or bass knob, lower frequencies are boosted. Okay, this change frequency is related to the sharpness, that means related to the pitch. All these are example related to the pitch. Now we are going to the second quality of the sound, that is the timbre or quality. One example given for this is telephonic conversation between two friends. We are always able to know who is speaking at the other end, even if you are not told about who is speaking. समोरच्यानं नाही सांगितलं तुम्हाला की कोण बोलतंय, तरी तुम्ही त्याला ओळखू शकता. Quite often we say, couldn't you recognize the voice? आवाज ओळखीचा वाटतो का? The sound quality in this context is called as a timbre. Okay, same song played. Now we have to consider another example for the timbre or quality, because sound quality is used to recognize the sound of the person, okay, in telephonic conversation. Another example we have to think, that is, same song is played on different musical instrument like guitar, violin, harmonium, or piano. All song on all these instruments feel significantly different, and we can easily identify the instrument from which that song can be heard. Okay, that means quality of sound of any sound instrument, in our vocal organs depends upon the mixture of tones and overtones. Depends on the mixture of tones and overtones in the sound. Even our own sound quality during the morning. Just see examples. At morning and evening, we have much more